In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date and time in LibreOffice Impress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a date and time on your slides. Choose between a fixed date or one that updates automatically, and apply your choice to a single slide or the entire presentation. Start by opening LibreOffice Impress and loading the presentation you want to work on, or create a new one. With your file open, look to the top menu bar and go to Insert, then choose Header and Footer. This opens a dialog box where you can manage elements that appear consistently across your slides. Inside that dialog, make sure you're on the Slide tab. This tab controls what appears on your slides themselves, as opposed to notes or print handouts. If you don't see options for your slides, double-check that you're not on the Notes and Handouts tab by mistake. Next, enable the Date and Time option by checking the box. This tells Impress to display date information in the footer area of your slide design. Typically, it appears near the bottom right, but the exact position depends on your slide template and theme. Now, choose how you want the date to behave. If you need a specific date that never changes, like the day the presentation was finalized, pick Fixed and type the date exactly as you want it to appear. This is ideal for archival decks, or when you want the date to remain consistent no matter when the file is opened. If you'd rather have the date update each time the presentation is opened or printed, choose Variable. This option uses your computer's current date and time. From the drop-down menu, select the format that best fits your audience and region, whether that's a simple date like MMDDYYYI or a format that includes the time. Keep in mind that the language and time format typically follow your system settings, so choose a style that will be clear to your viewers. When you're satisfied with the selection, decide where to apply it. Click Apply to All to place the date and time on every slide in the presentation, ensuring consistent labeling. If you're testing the look or only want it on the current slide, click Apply instead. You can return to the same dialog at any time to adjust the format or switch between fixed and variable. That's it. You've added a date and time to your Impress slides in a clear, professional way, ready for your next meeting or talk.